Today we'll be installing this awesome Billetworkz weighted shift knob. First we'll need to rotate counterclockwise to unscrew the OEM shift knob. The Billetworkz shift knob comes with a threaded adapter along with a nut. We'll need a 17mm wrench and also a 19mm wrench. So for the OEM knob, we're looking at about 7 ounces. So the Billetworkz weighs about 1 pound and 1 ounce, so about 10 ounces heavier. First we'll need to install this nut. This nut basically acts as a stop so we can orientate the markings on the knob correctly. Once I get to the bottom, I back it off about a quarter turn, and also I check to make sure that I can still get into reverse. Backing off a little bit allows me a little bit of room for adjustment in the clockwise direction if I need to. Next, I put on the threaded adapter. And we'll tighten the threaded adapter to the nut. I hold the nut still while tightening the adapter. You do want this a bit tight, otherwise once you loosen the knob, the threaded adapter might come out with it and get stuck inside the knob. As you can see, the marking is rotated a bit too far clockwise. We'll have to remove the knob, that way we can rotate the stop nut counterclockwise slightly. I do this by loosening the threaded adapter and then rotate the nut and then retighten. And it may take you a few tries before you get it just right. I really like the look of this knob. The extra weight does make it feel a bit smoother. If you want a more notchy feel, the lighter shift knob would be better for that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button for a lot more VB Subaru WRX videos.